Hey guys, Val here from PitchGround, and today I'm here with the great news. PitchGround is launching Instoried, an incredible tool for text content creators and marketers. Instoried is one of the best AI-powered content empathy analyzer and optimizer. This means that you can basically predict the emotional engagement of written content and get smart recommendations in the real time. Take a look what we've got. Measure and optimize the impact, relevance, and tonality of your headlines, the overall tone, and the core emotions of your content. You have a power-packed plagiarism checker to optimize your content for SEO, and the possibility to get a feedback from your team or content stakeholders right here in the app. But what's the coolest thing about Instoried is that you get a high open rates and click-through rates for your emails, a high CTR for your search and social media ads, higher conversions on landing pages, more subscribers for your blog, and a whole bunch of other goodies. It's time to create more empathetic content that supercharges your conversions. Now hurry up and grab that insane lifetime deal here at PitchGround.com.